Hi friends, today I'm back with a Sindhi breakfast recipe for you. It's called Seyala bread. We call it Seyala Dhabroti or Dabala. It's bread slices cooked with green masala, flavorful mint, coriander, garlic, ginger, onion, all these go into this masala. It's very flavorful. The bread slices are cooked with this masala and served for breakfast usually. You can even have it for brunch if you want to. And we also make rotis with the same masala, but today let's proceed to make the Seyala bread. For Seyala bread, we'll require green masala about 2 cups, oil 6 tablespoons, bread 6 slices, salt as needed, turmeric powder half teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. How to make the green masala, I've already uploaded the video. You can check out the details. The link is provided in the description box below. Now heat oil in a pan. Take a flat bottomed pan. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add the green masala now. This is really a nice and flavorful masala with mint, coriander, green chilies, garlic, ginger, and tomato. Tomato is optional. Some like to add and some don't like to add. However, you can check out the details and make according to your preference. Now this masala has to be sauteed for a few minutes until the rawness is gone, and the water also has to dry up. This is a quick and easy breakfast dish. You can make use of your leftover bread slices also. Cover it and simmer for a little while. From time to time, open the lid and keep stirring it so that the masala gets cooked evenly and it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Now it's nearly getting done. After sauteing for 2 to 3 minutes, now we can proceed to add the spices. Add the turmeric powder, salt as needed, coriander powder, and the cumin powder. I'm not adding any red chili powder in this because we have added green chilies to the masala. It also changes the color. I want to keep it green. Mix everything together till the masalas are all blended. The spices are blended together. Again, cover it and cook for a minute or so. Maintain medium flame, don't make it very high throughout. Now the masala is done, all the water is dried up. Check the salt before we proceed to put the bread slices. Now what we are going to do is push the masala to one side and make space for the bread slices. Now with the spatula, spread the masala over the bread slices. Now there are two ways of making it. One is like this, like the sandwich. Other one is you can break the bread into pieces and put it into the masala and stir together. But I prefer this way, like sandwich, it's easier to serve. You can prepare any way you like. The other one is easier. You just cut the bread slices into cubes, add and stir everything together. Now I am placing the second slice on top and the remaining masala you spread over them. Now this is done. I'm adding little water. Pour little over each slice, about 2 tablespoons on each slice, not more than 5 to 6 tablespoons, because the masala already has a moisture and that will cook the bread slices. Cover and cook on low flame, say for about minute and a half on each side. Carefully flip the side now. With this masala we also make a breakfast seyal mani, which is made with leftover rotis, but that process is little different as bread doesn't require much water. The rotis require more water. I'll be posting that recipe soon. It's a very easy and delicious breakfast. Now the seyal bread is done, ready to be served. You should make this and serve it immediately. It tastes much better when you serve it fresh, hot, piping hot. Let's dish it out. Doesn't it look so flavorful and inviting? Enjoy this breakfast with a glassful of lassi, the best breakfast ever. I hope you are going to give it a try and do let me know if you liked it. Do share the feedback in the comment box. I would like to hear from you all if you are liking my videos, and if you want any other recipes to be posted, I shall make the videos and post for you. So the seyal bread platter is ready. Have you tried out other Sindhi breakfasts? Dal pakwan, I have posted seyu patata. Do check out those videos also. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some videos in case you have missed them out. You can watch them now. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.